Hello guys and welcome back to another brand new video about Forex account management. In this video, I will show you the last week results of our account management and I will show you the last week profits and withdrawals of our clients, and I will also show you the inside videos of some clients accounts that we have traded in the last week. And in the second part of the video, we will talk about how can you join our account management and how you can be the part of our account management, and I will try to answer some frequently asked questions. If you want to join our account management channel, just open your Telegram and write in search box at the rate MFC underscore accounts ACCOUNTS, and this is our account management channel. Here you can check our daily results and performance of our account management. So in the last week, this was our client with the deposit of $5,200 and we made almost $1,700 profit on his account. And the next client is with the deposit of $800 and we made $124 profit on his account. And this is another client with the deposit of $1,000 and we made $226 profit on his account with proper money management and risk management, and this was our third withdrawal with this client. So this is an overview video of the day in which we have discussed entries of the day and the reason behind these entries. So this is another client with the deposit of $5,500 and we made $3,424 profit on his account, and it was a sniper and cool entry of the week. So this is another client with the deposit of $285 and we made $50 profit on his account, and this is another client with the deposit of $9,000 and we made $1,245 profit on his account. So here you can check everything about our account management. So these are not complete withdrawals because I am unable to upload every profit due to the lack of time. Mostly I upload only 2 or 3 profits in a day. Now I am going to show you the valuable feedback from those clients who have already enjoying our account management. So almost 1800 plus people vote us that we are trusted. We only do a safe account management. That's why people are happy with our account management. Now I am going to show you the inside videos of some MT4 accounts. So we have made almost $1,700 profit on this client's account. So you can see guys, the deposit was only $5,200 and we made almost $1,700 profit on his account. You can see the live results of this account, and the client has already withdrawn his profit and already sent us our revenue share, and now he is ready for next profit. So guys, this is another client with the deposit of $5,500 and we made almost $3,400 profit on his account in a single day, and the client has already withdrawn his profit amount and he has already sent us our revenue share, and now he is ready for next profit. So guys, video is getting too lengthy, so I am unable to show every account in this video. So let's talk about some frequently asked questions, and let's talk about how can you join us. So guys, I have write down some frequently asked questions and all those questions that mostly people ask me on my Telegram inbox. So I have decided to make a detailed and complete video about that. So here is our frequently asked questions. So the question number 1 is, what is account management and how it works? So guys, account management is a way or a process in which you need to send me your MT4 or MT5 account details, login details, and I will trade on your account. I will completely manage your account, and when I will open trades in my personal account, I will also open trades in your account with safe and secure method. I have some premium tools and indicators that help me to find a perfect entry, so account management from me can be a best option for you to make a good profit and safe profit. So the question number 2 is how can I join it? So if you want to join our account management service, just open your Telegram and write in search box @Atif MFC and send me a direct message and send me your login details of your account. After that, I will be able to open and close trades in your account and I will be able to make profit for you. Question number 3 is do you charge for account management service? No, I don't charge for account management service, but when I will make profit in your account, then this profit will be divided into 50-50% from total earned profit. Half amount is your profit and half amount will be my revenue share. Question number 4 is what is profit share percentage? So the percentage of profit share is 50-50% from total earned profit. 50% is your profit and 50% is my revenue share. For example, if you send us an account with the deposit of $1,000 and we have a profit of $500, so $250 will be your profit and $250 will be my revenue share. Question number 5 is what happens if my account has blow? So this is very important question guys and very interesting question. So guys, first of all, we always try our best to give a safe profit to our clients and we are already doing that. So in the start, we will take a small risk and we will try to grow your account slowly and we will try to give you smart profit multiple times until you have an amount of profit that is bigger than your deposit amount. Now the amount in your account is actually your profit. Now we will increase risk in your account and we will try to make a big profit for you. If we will hit our take profit, then it will be a big profit for us. And if this setup goes wrong, then we will have a big drawdown. So at this stage, I can ask you to load some more money in your account to recover it fast, or we can grow it slowly. But it will take some more time to recover if we will not load more money in the account. But don't worry, in every condition, we will try our best to give you safe profit, secure profit, and consistent profit. So the next question is do you refund on account blown? So there is no refund on account blown, but don't worry, we always try our best to give safe profit and secure profit to our clients and we are already doing that. But keep in mind guys that there is no refund on losses. Question number 7 is will you make daily profit and withdrawals in my account? So it's depend on market structure, market movement and market volatility. Sometimes my setup comes daily and sometimes my setup comes after 1 or 2 days. So when I will find a perfect entry, I will definitely open trades in your account and I will make a good profit for you. So the next question is what is minimum account equity to join? So the minimum account equity to join is only $200. If you have an MT4 account, live account with the deposit of $200, you can join us. But I will recommend you to start with at least $500 or above $500 if you want to make a good profit. So the next question is have you blown anyone's account in the past? Again, it's very interesting and important question guys. So guys, every trader make losses. Nothing is 100% in the forex market. So I have blown some accounts, but mostly we have big amount of profits before blown. Like you can say mostly we have 5 or 6 times bigger profit. For example, if we have an blown account of $200, then it will have $700 to $800 profit before getting blown. So the question number 10 is how will I send you your profit share payment method? So you can send me my revenue share by using Binance, USDT, TRC20, Skrill or Perfect Money. Mostly my clients are using USDT, TRC20 to send me my revenue share. So the question number 11 is what is your recommended deposit or equity to join? So I will recommend you to start with at least $500 or above $500 if you want to make a good and safe profit. But keep in mind guys, the minimum deposit is only $200. If you have only $200 in your MT4 account, you can join us. Question number 12 is the last question and it is very important question. I am already scammed by someone. He washed my account by using big lots. How can I trust you? So guys, I know that it is not easy to trust someone again, but let's talk about the scenario that what if you trust me. Number 1, this time your account will be traded by someone who is already a professional trader. And number 2, this time you don't need to worry about big lots open on your account because we follow money management. And number 3, you can check our account management history and our clients' feedback on our Telegram channel, which will assure you about us, and then you will be able to trust us. So guys, that's it for today video. See you guys in the next video.